Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing great and staying absolutely fit and fantastic and glamorous. Now, talking about being glam, I recently purchased a couple of skincare products and I wanted to share it with you all. It's been like 2 weeks now that I've been, using those products constantly and I'm so in love with them. So I wanted to share it with you all. So if you want to know what products I'll be talking about, keep on watching. But before that, if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Kindly take a moment to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and hit the notification bell. So let's begin. So guys, we all know that Korean skincare products is literally the talk of the town. It is ruling the beauty industry. So when I was, surfing for some good skincare products, I was like, why not invest on some good Korean skincare products? And that's when I came across this particular brand called Keep Cool. Now, before I start off talking about the products, let me just talk about the brand itself. So Keep Cool is a reputed Korean brand which believes in using natural ingredients rather than using chemically harsh ingredients, which really is not good for the skin, that we all know. Now, the products of this particular brand, it will, what it exactly does, it keeps the temperature of the skin cool and it hydrates the skin from within. So if you're someone, who is really sick and tired of your dull, dehydrated, damaged skin, even if you have acne prone skin, I think, you've come to the right place wherein all these products, which I'm going to talk about today, will be really helpful to you all. Now, talking about the products, before you just dive into the product, let me just talk about the packaging. How cute can be the packaging. Now, look at this. Oh my God. The first time when I saw this, my heart literally melted. Now, particular panda, it was love at first sight. Anyway, so we all know, for a good skincare routine or regime, what you need a toner, you need a serum, and you need a lotion or a moisturizer. Now, this is basically, it's a Keep Cool Soothe Bamboo mini kit, which is like a travel kit. So a person who, if you're someone who loves to travel for like 3-4 days or maybe for a week, instead of carrying those gigantic big bottles of your toners and serums, it is always smart to carry those travel size and chotu wala pack size. So that's generally even what I do. This particular package, you'll be getting 3 products. One is a toner, one is a serum, and a lotion. So the price of this particular package is 549 rupees. So I think, instead of investing in separate bottles of toners and serums and lotion, which would not be less than 200 or 300 rupees. So if you're getting everything in one package, then why not? You will even get a small leaflet like this inside this particular, box, wherein you have all the ingredients mentioned clearly and what are the benefits if you apply these products. Let's talk about the toner. So the Keep Cool Soothe Bamboo Toner looks something like this. It comes in such a cute little bottle, and this is a plastic bottle and the net content is 20 ml. Now, what it exactly does is, it soothes the skin, making your skin absolutely hydrated. So what are the key ingredients of this particular toner? Now, it is infused with 85% bamboo water extract instead of chemically refined water. It has low and higher molecular hyaluronic acid and polyglutamic. Apart that, it even has glycerin and it has no fragrance at all. All the products that I'm going to talk about today, they are vegan friendly, they are cruelty free, dermatologically tested, chemical free, and paraben free. Now, since the toner does not have any kind of fragrance, even the kids for that matter in the family, they can use it without any kind of worries. Now, let me just show you all the texture of the toner.
The texture of the toner is completely light and fresh water-type formula that quickly absorbs into the skin. It's highly enriched liquid without any kind of artificial coloring, and it is completely fragrance-free.
So the next step of the skincare is a serum. Now, so this is the serum and the net content is 5 ml. Now this is, it comes in a pump form. Now let me just show you all the texture. It's not too runny, at the same time it's not too viscous. So what are the key ingredients of this serum? It has 66% bamboo water extract, 4.5% Centella asiatica, now which is an amazing healing property. So if you're someone who have who have a lot of acne issues, so I think if you use this, it will be a great help for you. Apart that, it also has a low molecular hyaluronic acid that improves dry and tagged skin. Now let me just show you all the consistency of the serum. I think I've already shown it to you all, but let me just apply it and show it on the skin. So this is the texture of the serum. So you just need to take a little bit of it and apply it very gently.
The serum has a relatively lightweight formula with a quick absorption into the skin. It has a light amber hue from Centella extract.
Now talking about the last product in this particular package is the lotion. So this is the lotion, which again comes in a plastic container. The net quantity of this particular lotion is 20 ml. Now what all things it is infused with? It has 51% bamboo water extract. It has 7 different molecular sizes of hyaluronic acid. It has 2% patented dermaclera. It has jojoba seed and coconut oil, which balances skin's water and oil level. Now let me just show you all the texture of the lotion.
The lotion is infused with 7 different molecular sizes of hyaluronic acid, which enhances the hydration of both inside and outside of the skin.
The last product that I'm going to talk about today and do a demo is of this particular cream, which is the Keep Cool Soothe Phyto Green Pear Cream. So this is the product, outer packaging by the way, and it looks like this. Now this is a full size, which is like 50 ml for 1,379 rupees. Now this has Phyto Green Pear Cream, which has a repair and a calming property. Now the minute you apply this particular cream, the temperature of your skin drops down. I know it sounds a little weird, but this really happens. Trust me on that, because I've used it, so I can really tell you. Now the color of this, if you see, it's green in color. There is no such chemical used, and the smell, it has got some natural woody scent. I've already mentioned there are no such chemical used in this range, and it is naturally green colored. So this is the texture of the cream. It has a soft and matte texture with shea butter, so the minute you apply it, it totally gets absorbed into your skin.
With the combination of Centella and 4 different enriched ingredients containing the energy of phytoncide from the forest, Keep Cool Soothe Phyto Green Cream soothes the skin without causing any kind of irritation. As soon as you apply it, it calms down your skin by dropping its temperature.
So guys, with this I come to the end of another review video. I hope it will be useful and helpful for you guys. Now this is the complete review of the products from Keep Cool. So if you want these products, I will be putting the link in the description box. Very effective, trust me on that. And as it is, we all know that Korean skincare products, you cannot just go wrong with the ingredients that they use. You can be rest assured that you will not be getting any kind of. So guys, if you've enjoyed this video, then please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Do follow me on my Instagram, and I'll see you very soon in my next one with a brand new video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe, and keep smiling. Love you guys. Bye bye.